Let's take one example on star delta transformation. Find equivalent resistance between A and B using star delta transformation. This is the given circuit. Here we can observe that resistors 6 ohm, 4 ohm and 8 ohm are connected in star fashion. Similarly, the resistors both 6 ohm. The another observation is both star connected networks are connected to same point, that is point A, point B and another point is here. It is here this node is connected somewhere else. Let's not bother about that. So first consider the star connection, that is 6, 4 and 8, that is 6, this is 4 and let this be 8, 6 ohm, say this is 4 ohm and this is 8 ohm. We'll try to convert this into delta. The delta connection look like this. Here we'll get one resistor, here we'll get one resistor and here we'll get one resistor. Let's call this as R1, let this we'll call it as R2, let this we'll call it as R3. So R1 is equal to 6 into 8 plus 8 into 4 plus 4 into 6 divided by, here R1 opposite to R1 is 8 ohm divided by 8. Therefore value of R1 is equal to 13 ohms. Therefore R1 is equal to 13 ohm. Similarly we'll calculate R2. So R2 will be equal to, the numerator is same, that is 6 into 8 plus 8 into 4 plus 4 into 6 divided by, the denominator is R2, opposite resistor is 4. So simplifying this, R2 is equal to 26 ohms. Therefore R2 value is 26 ohm. Similarly we'll calculate R3. The numerator is same. So the value of numerator is 104 divided by, now R3 opposite resistor is 6 divided by 6. Therefore R3 is equal to 17.33 ohms. So here R3 value is 17.33 ohms. Here we have another star connected resistors, that is 5 ohm, 4 ohm and 3 ohm. That is, now I will try to convert this 5 ohm, 4 ohm and 3 ohm in terms of delta. So that is, we have 5 ohm, this is 5 ohm, this is 3 ohm and let this be 4 ohm. So if we convert this into delta, the equivalent delta connection will get one resistor here, we'll get one resistor here and we'll get one resistor here. Let's call this as Z1, this as Z2 and let this as Z3. So we'll try to calculate Z1, Z2 and Z3 values. Z1 is equal to, same formula, that is 5 into 4 plus 4 into 3 plus 3 into 5 divided by Z1, its opposite resistor is 4. So simplifying this, we'll get, it is 11.75 ohm. Similarly we'll calculate Z2 is equal to, the numerator value is same, that is 47 divided by, here we have Z2, the opposite to Z2 is 3 ohm, that is divided by 3, which is equal to, it gives 15.667 ohms. Similarly Z3 is equal to, we have numerator is same, that is 47 and denominator is Z3, opposite resistor is 5. it is 9.4 ohms. So now I will redraw this circuit as we have R1, R2, R3 which are with respect to 6, 4 and 8 ohm resistor. I will draw here. This is R1 which is 13 ohms. This is R2 which is 26 ohm. This is R3 which is 17.33 ohm. This is Z2 which is 15.667. Here we have Z3 which is 9.4, and here we have Z1 which is 11.75. This end is connected to A node and this end is connected to B node. So now here we can observe that these two resistors are in parallel. We can replace this with single resistor. Similarly, these two resistors are replaced by single resistor. These two resistors are replaced by single resistor. The equivalent circuit looks like this. Say this is Z1. Say this is Z2, and we have say this is Z3. This is node A and this is node B. Now let's calculate Z1, Z2 and Z3. That is Z1 is equal to 1175 parallel with 13, which is equal to 11.75 into 13 divided by 11.75 plus 13. It gives 6.172. Similarly, Z2 is nothing but 17.33 parallel with 9.4, which is equal to 17.33 into 9.4 divided by 17.33 plus 9.4. It gives 6.094. Similarly, Z3 is equal to parallel combination of these two, that is 26 parallel with 15.667, which is equal to 26 into 15.667 divided by 26 plus 15.667. It gives 9.776. Therefore, Z1 is 6.172, Z3 is 9.776. Now further, here we can observe that Z1 and Z2 are in series. Those can be added up. That will come in parallel with Z3. That is, I will draw the circuit here. This is Z3, that is 9.776, and this is the addition of these two, that is 12.6266. So finally, therefore, equivalent resistance between terminal A and B is say RAB, which is equal to 9.776 parallel with 12.266, which is equal to 9.776 into 12.266 divided by 9.776 plus 12.266. It gives RAB is equal to 5.44 ohms. This is the equivalent resistance between terminal A and B. Thank you for watching.